Alright, so we are going to use the figure to list all examples of each angle pair. So this keyword all here is important. We want to list all of the examples from the picture, not just one. Alright, so number one, we want to find alternate exterior angle pairs. To do that, we probably first want to highlight our transversal. So remember, a transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines, which means this would be my transversal right here. So my line that intersects two or more lines. So now that I have my transversal highlighted, I actually want to make it like a skinnier highlight so it's not taking up as much space. We can go and answer our questions. So alternate exterior angle pairs. Remember, alternate exterior angles are on opposite sides of the blue transversal. That's what makes them alternate. And then the angles would be outside these yellow lines. That's how we get the exterior part. So examples of those are angle A and angle G, and angle B and angle H. Both are examples of alternate exterior angle pairs. Number two, corresponding angle pairs. Remember, corresponding angles are on the same side of the transversal and in the same spot. So some examples, we have a lot here. We would have angle A and angle E. They're on the same side of the transversal, and they're both above their respective yellow line. Angle B and angle F, again, on the same side of the transversal and above their respective yellow line. Some more examples are angle D and angle H. They're on the same side of the blue transversal, and they're below their respective yellow line. And then angle G and angle C would be another example of corresponding angle pairs. Number three, alternate interior angle pairs. So remember, for alternate interior angles, you want to be on opposite sides of the transversal and then inside these yellow lines. So one example would be angle D and angle F, and a second example would be angle E and angle C. Those are both examples of alternate interior angles. Number four is talking about vertical angles. So remember, vertical angles are across from each other. So we have a few examples here. We have angle A and angle C. They're across from each other. Angle B and angle D. They're across from each other. Angle E and angle G, again, across from each other. And angle F and angle H. And remember, vertical angles are congruent. So that's just a fact about those pairs of vertical angles. They would be congruent. And then number five, same side interior angles. We can also call that consecutive interior angles. So the word consecutive means on the same side. So here we would have angle D and angle E because they are on the same side of the transversal and inside those yellow lines. And then another example would be angle C and angle F because they're on the same side of the transversal and inside the yellow lines.